I can hear your opinion already. Earning so much money per click? That's impossible, Rachel. Well, if that's what you were thinking, I have good news for you. I will prove to you guys that this is actually 100% possible. But before I continue, welcome to Rachel's Money Guide, where I teach you how to make money online the easiest way. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. The first platform I'm going to share with you in today's video is G2.com. This platform basically lets clients choose the right software for their business, as you can see right here. Scrolling a little bit down here, we will see all the different categories of software. Beside it, you will see the rating that they've provided, these platforms right here. So that's where our focus is going to be. We are going to get paid by reviewing and giving our honest opinions for websites that have applied for assessment in G2.com. And don't worry, I forgot to mention that you won't really need a huge investment in this platform. You won't need to sell anything. You won't need a big social media following, and you won't need any specific or technical skills for it. All you have to do is give your honest opinion on some softwares. Moving on, let's go down a little bit and find this button, Write a Review. Click on that. After clicking on it, you will be redirected here to this page where you will see the steps on how to legitimately leave a review for a specific software. Step 1. You have to select a software or product that you want to review. Step 2. Leave your honest review. Step 3. Share it. And Step 4. Yes, you guessed it right. This is the part where you make money. So with all of that said, let me guide you thoroughly on how to do the steps or what will be the next things to do. I'm going to go by each step so that it will be clear for everyone who is watching this video today. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Step 1. Pick the software or product that you want to review and give a rating. As you can see here, there are actually a lot of categories to choose from. Once you come in here, there's sales, HR, marketing, and others. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to choose information technology. After choosing information technology, you're going to be redirected here, where they will show you all the software that revolves around information technology. I'm even amazed as to how many options you have on this platform. You can choose whatever software you'd like to review. You can prioritize what software you want to review first, so that you will then proceed to the next one once you're done. The earning potential of this method is really unlimited. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be choosing this software as an example. Once you've selected your preferred software, you will then click on this box and tick, and it will show here on the upper right corner what you've clicked. So if you're ready to review the software, just click on this button to proceed. After clicking the Continue button, you'll be redirected here where it will display the software that you've selected. But if you were to forget a software, just input here on this box to look for it. Moving forward, let's click on the Review button right here. After clicking that, G2 will now prompt a page that will tell us to sign up and register first in order for us to review the selected software. So that's what we're going to do. Now click on the Continue to log in. After clicking that, you'll be forwarded here, on this page where you will have the option to register using your LinkedIn and Google account, but you also have the option to use your business email or any email to be exact. Just make sure the one that you'll provide will be a correct email, because they'll be emailing you a verification email to ensure that you're not a robot accessing their platform. Now, after providing your email, you must go onto your email account and then find the verification email and click on it in order to verify your account. After all that, you'll be forwarded here where you will review your chosen software. First off, you'll have to rate the software right here to provide the title of your review. After that, you just proceed here to answer all the remaining questions, like what did you like best about the software, or what did you dislike about the software. These are just simple questions which you can answer below 40 characters with. I promise this is easy. So after you've answered everything, all you have to do now is tick on this box and click on the Submit button. You will just wait for the money to go into your account now, and that is how easy it is to make money in G2. Overall, this is a solid method for everyone trying to make money online. Make sure to try this out, okay? You'll literally have no reason not to try it, because again, this is available anywhere in the world. Do you want to earn money simply by using Google Translate? Click here! Making money online has never been this easy, fast, and transparent. Stop procrastinating and take action today! Before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.